आपको पिन कोड क्रिएटर कहा जाता है। ये जर्नी मुझे समझाइए ज़रा।
We had started with this Vijaynagar. Vijaynagar is that in the just on the Maral Marosi road, on the just near to the first before the RA court. But at that time, there was a no development in this
मतलब
side.
बांद्रा के आगे तो किसी को कुछ
कोई
पता ही
Maral
नहीं था।
Marosi. But our initially we were this our focus was there is to give the affordable housing. So in Vijaynagar we had made the affordable housing. That we have to found in a lot of. We had went through the lot of difficulties. We had constructed the entire building. There was no takers at that time in the. There was no takers in these things. Then we had went to the Vijaynagar. That thing, we had got the some group booking of the L&T staff. This thing. So at that time, Hudco was the financier. So Hudco was the financier. So their policy was that to give the finance only to the government body. Then we had met these things, Hudco and met chair. Then we had made this was the for the affordable housing, and it is for the group housing societies of the employees of the L&T. And we had got the special this thing, and they had sanctioned the loan to this thing. The entire building complex was ready. Then we had given them to the flats.
मीरा रोड कैसे एक्सप्लोर किया?
Mira Road was there. It was the dream project of the ex-MP of the Amrut Patel. In these our temple functions, their partners was there. Other partners was there who was looking at the sites. One Natubai Desai and Ramesh Bhai Shah. They met as my brothers Chitbai, and we had entered this. We had joined this one and we had developed. This project has also got the very big this thing at that time. We had brought water from the 18 kilometers because of the entire, you must, Mirabai and their area, there was the shortage of, but at that time they got the sanction earlier. MIDC is supplying the water. So we had laid line through the Maharashtra MWSS, Maharashtra Water Supply. They had laid the line from the Ulvesam village to our side. They had laid, we had paid this amount. And that from 18 kilometers water is being supplied. And in the when we had started this Mira Road project, so there was a Gram Panchayat planning authority, sanctioning authority was the Gram Panchayat. So whatever you want, you can get it done. So that we had made clear, let us not go these things. We had given our this thing instruction to the architects. We should develop as per the rule. Even there was no planning, but we will do as per the rules and regulations of the Bombay Municipal Corporation. There was that we had not got, when we do the mass this thing group housing, so we not go after penny, we get 5 square feet more all that thing. We had done all roads. You go to entire infrastructure as per the Mumbai Corporation by though Mumbai by it was not compulsory, but we had done entire complex audit. At that time, we are getting one bill from MIDC. MIDC, and I have to collect it from the all societies, and I have to pay I am paying one check to the MIDC. Particular Mira Road, our Santi Star project, we were there. It is the corporations we were there. We had got around we had got the 2 treatment plants, sewage treatment plant. We had got water reservoir. Water comes in the reservoir, and from we make the distribution. Slowly, the Mira Bhayandar Municipal Corporation has formed, and they had given the they had taken over but we had maintained our more than 10 to 15 years entire complex we had maintained.
आपने भक्ति पार्क की बात कर ली, तो उसी से मैं आगे पूछना चाहूँगी, कैसे आपकी कंपनी ने उस कह सकते हैं ना उस जगह को पहचाना और वहाँ पर डेवलप करना सोचा?
It was the visionary of my earlier chairman, Sri Chotubai Ajmeraj. At that time, his vision was that at that time we are putting it is the price of the land as good as it is the price of the cloth. So that his vision is that कि भाई इतना रुपए में तो अपन कपड़ा खरीद रहे हैं, तो फिर ये जमीन लेने में क्या अर्थ है? See, there was the issues of the lot of approval issues, reservations and all these things, but slowly we had come out with by remaining in the framework of the government policy, we had come out and we had developed this project. Even just I am going out of this track and telling this, when we had developed Shastri Nagar. At Shastri Nagar we had developed. Shastri Nagar then finished, and at that time we had got some proposals in the Lokhandwala complex. I remember at that time I had went along with my brothers by sitting on the camel, and I had seen in the Lokhandwala complex.
तब यहाँ पे कैमल चलते थे
यस यस, कैमल पर बैठ के हम लोग अंदर गया था, पूरा क्रीक एरिया था.